Planning a trip to the Philippines? Get ready to be blown away by Cebu. From breathtaking beaches to thrilling adventures and rich cultural gems, Cebu has it all. In this video, we're diving into the top 10 things you absolutely can't miss on this stunning island. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a beach lover, or a culture buff, Cebu has something unforgettable for you. Let's explore. Number 10. Sabu Waterfalls. Spanning over 4,000 square kilometers, Sabu Island is a mix of rugged mountain ranges and limestone plateaus surrounding Metro Cebu. Now, if you're a waterfall chaser, you're in for a treat. Cebu is home to over 90 waterfalls hidden in its lush jungle. Some of the most famous ones include Tumalog Falls near Oslob, the iconic Kawasan Falls close to Moalboal, Aguinid Falls near Samboan, and even another stunning Kawasan Falls over on Bontan Island near Malapascua. With plenty of guided tours and local experts ready to help, getting to these beautiful spots is easy. Number 9. Cebu Island Hopping. In Cebu Province, with its 168 islands, island hopping is a must-do adventure. No matter where you're staying, whether it's Cebu, Mactan, Malapascua, Bantayan, or any nearby island, you're never far from an incredible island hopping day trip. If you're in Moalboal, Pescador Island is the top spot to check out. From Malapascua Island, you'll want to visit Dakit-Dakit, Biliran, and the stunning Kalangaman Islands. Picture soft white sand and turquoise waters stretching as far as the eye can see. If that sounds like paradise, then Cebu has everything you need for an unforgettable getaway. Number 8. Cebu Westown Lagoon. This Aztec-themed resort in Mandaue City is the perfect escape for families and thrill seekers alike. With a water park, multiple pools, whirling slides, and bubbling jacuzzis, there's no shortage of excitement here. Whether you're planning to stay overnight in one of their spacious rooms or just dropping by for a day trip, Cebu Westown Lagoon has you covered. Plus, if you're hosting a big event, they've got event halls and function rooms perfect for any occasion. Night swimming is allowed until 11 p.m., so the fun doesn't have to stop when the sun sets. Just remember, swimwear is a must. And while you can bring your own food, they ask you to skip the leash on and alcoholic drinks. Number 7. Aala Center, Cebu. Looking for a spot to hang out, rain or shine? Aala Center, Cebu has you covered. This massive shopping mall has everything you need for a great day out. From health and beauty centers to sportswear, electronics, and top fashion brands, there's plenty to explore. Feeling hungry? With over 40 restaurants to choose from, you'll have no shortage of tasty options. And for entertainment, check out Ayala Mall's movie theater and other fun venues that make it easy to enjoy yourself, no matter the weather. Number 6. Fort San Pedro. Let's step back in time to Fort San Pedro, built way back in 1565 by the Philippines' first Spanish governor, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. This is the oldest and smallest tri-bastion fort in the country, and it's seen it all. From serving as an army barracks and rebel stronghold to even being a prison and zoo. Today, it's a peaceful historic site with beautiful walled gardens and crumbling stone walls that give a glimpse into Cebu's past. With its unique triangular shape and stunning sea views, Fort San Pedro is a must-visit spot, especially at sunset. Number 5. Magellan's Cross, one of Cebu's most iconic landmarks, Magellan's Cross. Erected in 1521 by Spanish and Portuguese explorers, this historic cross stands as one of the Philippines' most cherished Catholic sites. Located right across from Cebu City Hall, it's considered the country's most important religious relic after the Santo Nino. Representing the arrival of Christianity in the Philippines, Magellan's Cross is more than a symbol, it's a glimpse into the roots of Filipino faith and culture. Number 4. Santo Nino Basilica. Let's visit one of the Philippines' oldest and most revered churches, Basilica Minore del Santo Nino de Cebu. Founded in 1569 by Augustinian priest Andres de Urdaneta, this historic church holds the cherished Santo Nino, a 16th-century carving of the young Jesus as a black child, considered one of the nation's oldest relics. After surviving 3 fires, it was rebuilt in its current form in 1737. Inside, you'll find a museum dedicated to Christianity's roots in Cebu and stunning ceiling murals that tell a story of faith. Built right on the spot where the Santo Nino statue was discovered, the Basilica's Baroque and neoclassical design makes it a must-see landmark in the heart of Cebu City. 3. Smell the flowers at SRA Garden. Get your cameras ready, because we're heading to one of Cebu's most Instagram-worthy spots, SRA Garden, also known as the Little Amsterdam of Cebu. Perched on the hillside of Busay, this charming flower farm bursts with vibrant colors, creating a picture-perfect backdrop for any photo shoot. From sunflowers and daisies to hyacinths and chrysanthemums, the garden is a dream for flower lovers. The real star of the show, the bright colossia flowers or wallflowers, originally planted for harvest but now part of this beautiful garden thanks to a lucky twist of fate. Let's wander through SRA's endless rows of blooms and capture those unforgettable shots. Number 2. Go on a Lechon food trip. No trip to Cebu is complete without indulging in its signature dish, lechon. This ultimate pork delight is a must-try for anyone exploring Philippine cuisine. What makes it so special? It's all about that slow roasting process over a charcoal pit, giving the pig its signature crispy skin and incredibly juicy, flavorful meat that will leave you wanting more. The native pigs are stuffed with a delicious blend of lemongrass, tomato, vinegar, and local herbs and spices. While you can find lechon all over the Philippines, Cebu's version is celebrated as the best. And here's the best part. It's so savory that you don't even need sauce. Pair it with puso, rice wrapped in heart-shaped coconut fronds, and you've got a meal to remember. If you're on the hunt for the best lechon, Car, just 2 hours from Cebu, is known for its top-notch version. But don't worry if you can't make the trip. There are plenty of fantastic restaurants in Cebu City and takeout spots on nearby Bontan Island serving up Car's famous recipe. Get ready to feast. Number 1. Explore the beaches of Bontan Island, a quick escape to the nearby paradise of Bontan Island. This island may have a quiet fishing village vibe, but don't let that fool you. Bontan's beaches are absolutely breathtaking, giving even Boracay a run for its money. With soft white sand, clear blue waters, and far fewer crowds, Bontan is perfect for a relaxing beach getaway. You'll find gems like Coda Beach with its stunning sandbar and lagoon, perfect for sunbathing, and Paradise Beach, where peaceful white sands and dramatic rock formations set the scene. If you're looking for tranquility and incredible sunsets, Bontan Island is calling your name.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.